Hi, I'm Erik with Colonial Saw. Today I'm with Dan from Connecticut Saw and Tool. Behind us is their third P20 CNC. Why so many UTMAs, Dan?
Sure. So these have been great machines for us. This is our third machine that we just bought a few months ago. Our first UTMA P20 CNC was bought in 1999, and we ran that machine continuously for about 20 years. And in 2021, we decided to take that machine out of service. It was still working perfectly fine. We traded it in towards a new machine. The reason we decided to do that was because over the years, the machine has gotten a lot better. So upgraded controls, a wider work envelope, oil coolant, and larger horsepower motors on it for more efficiency and faster grinding.
I guess everything improves with time.
Absolutely, and these machines have been great for us.
There are other profile grinding options on the market. Why would somebody want to consider UTMA?
Sure, so the UTMA P20 CNC, we find it's very purposefully built. It was thoughtfully designed for a very specific purpose, and it does that extremely well. We just use it for profile grinding corrugated back knives, and it seems like this is the best solution for us. It didn't come with a lot of features or accessories that we would never use, which tend to drive the price up. So this is an economical machine that is just really built for what we need it for.
That's why it's so dependable and you run it so hard.
We run it non-stop, and it's very, very easy to use, it's very reliable, and it just doesn't stop.
So when you ordered the new machine, you ordered it with the HSK interface. I don't see a bunch of molders sitting in your shop. So as a grinding shop, a service center, why would someone want the HSK interface?
Sure, the HSK interface was very attractive to us because, for one, it interfaces with all of our traditional profile grinders as well. So we didn't have to buy a ton of new heads. We had a lot of them already on hand. So we could go from our old style manual profile grinders right into the automatic P20 CNC. And then also, a lot of our customers are running molders with this type of interface on their machines. They can take the heads off their machines when they need to have knives resharpened, hand us the heads with the knives already in it. They don't need to break the heads down. They just hand them off to us or ship them into us. We resharpen them right in their heads. They're ready to go. We give them back to them sharp. They put them right on their machine. It's a seamless transition and very fast and the most accurate way to do it.
I don't think you could make it any easier.
No, it's very, very simple.
We've spoken a lot about why someone would want to consider UTMA, but can you talk a little bit why someone should partner with Colonial?
Absolutely. Our relationship with Colonial Saw began in 1979. My father bought our first machine from Colonial Saw then, and our partnership has existed ever since. Colonial Saw is a tremendous partner for us because they have the knowledge and the infrastructure and support we need to keep us going. Any questions we have, we can get right to the right person. It still feels very much a family-owned and operated company, even though as they've grown and we've grown, there's many more people involved, but we just feel that they are the right fit for us and can continue to support us as we grow through the years.
That's awesome feedback, and that just makes me feel better that we have this partnership and we have a team to stand behind you.
Absolutely.